This is a video presentation for Quality Assurance Procedure Number 1, the Quality Assurance Program. The Quality Assurance Procedure defines the process used for the project to assure that the engineering and design activities are accomplished in accordance with the DQMP. Adherence to the DQMP is required by all designers performing work on the project. We will now go over a few of the definitions that are especially relevant to this procedure. Acceptance criteria are specified limits placed on characteristics of an item, process, or service defined in planning and design manuals, standards, or other required documents. An audit is a systematic, independent, and documented activity performed in accordance with written procedures or checklists to verify, by examination and evaluation of objective evidence, that applicable elements of the quality control and quality assurance program have been developed, documented, and effectively implemented in accordance with specific requirements. Corrective action is a change implemented to address an identified weakness in the management system or correct a non-conforming condition. An external audit is an audit of those portions of another organization's quality assurance quality control plan not under the direct control or within the organizational structure of the auditing organization. A non-conforming condition is a deficiency in characteristic, documentation, or procedure which renders the quality of an item unacceptable or indeterminate by failing to meet requirements. Examples include physical defects, test failures, incorrect or inadequate documentation, or deviation from prescribed design processes, inspection, or test procedures. This flowchart represents the Quality Assurance Program. Across the top of the flowchart are listed the three phases that comprise the program. These are developing the quality management plan, implementing the plan, and the program monitoring. Down the left side of the flowchart details the responsibilities of both the design firms and the quality assurance manager. Each of these activities involved in the quality assurance program will be examined in greater detail. Quality program implementation. A successful program requires the initial implementation of the system and procedures and surveillance, monitoring, and audits to achieve the desired quality of products and services. The personnel assigned to perform the work need to understand and accept their roles and responsibilities to achieve success. The design manager must endorse the program and encourage other managers and leaders to engage the requirements and engage their subordinate staff. The QA manager reports to the project manager and is responsible for developing and maintaining the design quality management plan, supporting the project manager and design manager, and evaluating the effectiveness of the program. In addition, the QA manager is responsible for implementing an audit and surveillance plan to monitor project activities and determine compliance with DQMP requirements, routinely reporting to management on quality assurance, quality control activities, and issues of concern, reviewing and approving subconsultants and vendors' design quality management plans if applicable, attending project meetings to address quality agenda items as necessary, identifying corrective actions and initiating, recommending, coordinating, and providing solutions for quality problems, providing quality assurance indoctrination and training to project personnel. Surveillance and monitoring. Surveillance and monitoring activities will be coordinated with the design manager and incorporated into the project schedule with minimal impact on the normal conduct of project work. There are scheduled and unscheduled monitoring activities. Scheduled activities are included in the quality assurance planning process and coordinated with the design manager and project controls. Evidence of compliance with specific quality program requirements is examined during surveillance and monitoring activities. Surveillance and monitoring activities may include evidence that the DQMP is properly implemented. Surveillance and monitoring activities are reported monthly in a quality assurance activity report that will include comment resolution, non-conformance, corrective action requests, and resolution and program discrepancies. Quality audits can be internal or external. Internal quality program audits shall be conducted in accordance with quality assurance audit procedures, and external quality program audits of design consultants shall be conducted in accordance with quality assurance audits of contractor procedures. Quality audits are conducted to verify conformance with approved policies and procedures. Audits will be conducted on a schedule commensurate with the activities being performed. The audit frequency may vary depending on the nature, risks, and importance of the activities being performed and the results achieved. Audits shall be performed using checklists developed from applicable project procedures and technical requirements of engineering drawings, design output, and quality assurance quality control plan procedures. Departure or failure to implement the requirements of the governing documents shall be recorded as an audit finding. Audit performance shall be documented by an audit report, which at the minimum shall include the following information: a narrative summary of the scope of the audit for each area audited, the identification of the auditor and persons contacted during the audit, the summary of audit results and a determination of the program effectiveness, clearly defined audit findings, and a corrective action request and completion date. Audit results shall be reported to the design manager and project manager of the project. The project shall take timely and appropriate action to correct conditions documented by the audit findings and to prevent recurrence. Implementation of corrective action for deficient areas shall be verified by QA follow-up actions, such as reviews of documentation and activities or re-audits as necessary. The numbering convention. Observations, surveillances, audits, and corrective action reports will be numbered using a convention to easily relate and link these reports to the appropriate activity. Each report and form has a location for the record number. The report activity will be tracked using log sheets by date and number and will accompany the monthly report. Design quality assurance reports. Quality assurance reports shall be prepared monthly and maintained with the project quality assurance records. The quality assurance procedure defines the process used for the project to assure that the engineering and design activities are accomplished in accordance with the DQMP. Adherence to the DQMP is required by all designers performing work on the project. A successful program requires surveillance and monitoring, quality audits to achieve the desired quality of products and services, a numbering convention to easily relate and link these reports to the appropriate activity, and design quality assurance reports. This has been a video presentation for Quality Assurance Procedure Number 1, the Quality Assurance Program. For further instruction or additional information, please refer to the written procedure.